In a world filled with endless possibilities, the greatest choice we can make is simply to be ourselves. There comes a moment when we're welcomed into a community we've always dreamed of, where learning happens under open skies and within the comfort of familiar walls. It's here that we take the first bold step, and once that step is taken, nothing can stop us from chasing the dreams that shape who we become. With every new experience, we discover ourselves again and again, pushing boundaries, reaching higher, and striving for the goals we've always carried within us. Along the way, we meet people who become friends who grow with us, who share our stories and help create memories that stay with us for a lifetime. And beyond those friendships, we find mentors, people devoted to our journey, encouraging us, supporting us, and helping us give our very best. Teachers and guides who shape our abilities, lift our confidence, and walk beside us from the very first step to the final milestone. Because when an institution empowers you to be yourself, when its people care for one another, and when its walls become home to your dreams and your adventures, you begin to understand something profound. There is no better place to grow than Vivekananda Concept School.
ஹேமா, என்ன இருக்கே? என்ன சாப்பிடுங்க?
ఏంటి ఒక్కసారి తమిళ్లోకి వెళ్ళావు?
తమిళ్ అంటే నీకేం గుర్తు రావట్లేదా?
మన సూపర్ స్టార్ రజనీకాంత్.
ఎస్, ఆయనది ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో వచ్చిన మోస్ట్ స్టైలిష్ సాంగ్కి అదిరిపోయే డ్యాన్స్ చేయడానికి మన పిల్లలు రెడీగా ఉన్నారు. ఒక్కసారి
వెల్కమ్ దెమ్.
கண்ணா அண்டர் கட்டல கண்டர் கொண்டர அண்டர் வண்டர் ஜூட்டு கண்ணா அண்டர் சூட்டு கண்ணா வண்டர் டோட்டு கண்ணா இப்பது ஜோடு அண்டர் சூட்டு கண்ணா வண்டர் டோட்டு கண்ணா இப்பது ஜோடு அண்டர் சூட்டு கண்ணா வண்டர் டோட்டு கண்ணா இப்பது ஜோடு அடி 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 இங்க விட்டான் மண்ணல்லே சொன்னா மனசுலாயோ அடி 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 குளிக்க மண்ணல்லே ஒன்னா நின்னா மனசுலாயோ
మన వివేకానంద రజనీకాంత్లు వాళ్ళ స్టైల్లో
ఎరగదీశారు కదా